back to another video. Today we're doing something a little bit different. We're just gonna have like, you know, a relaxing car day where we put some parts on. I got some parts with Type R. My brother's got some GTR goodies. And then we're gonna end the day off with the cruise. So let's go. Alright, so I went with the high volume intake from PRL. So I think it's the best bang for your buck. His installation guides were dummies. Or I'm a dummy.
Yo, I echo that statement, because I'm a dummy too.
If you guys are worried about PRL using K&N filters, they use, well, on their website it says they use green filters, so you're still gonna get good filtration and not like sacrifice that for more sound and air. We got some clamps,
more screws. What's in this bad boy? Mass
airflow street sensor. So this is what we're gonna install so we don't get a check engine light.
Nice.
And then
there's the air
box. I also got the inlet pipe combo. So it's a titanium inlet pipe. On the website it says 50% increase in airflow. There's also another elbow piece, but I shipped it off to have it powder coated. So hopefully I'll get back soon and we can put it on for you guys, but this piece will let it spool a lot louder. So yeah, let's go. Where the mass airflow sensor?
Oh, it's in this cup. I keep it clean, bro.
Yeah, in the lean cup.
In the lean cup.
The miniature lean cup.
Yo. Let's start this bad boy up. All right.
That's no grenades. Ooh, that's not bad. Oh, yeah. No!
Oh, shit. That sounds good, Kevin. Oh, man.
I already opened it to, you know, take the elbow powder coating, but everything is super neatly packed, super tight. Here, I'm gonna do a quick review of the elbow. Oh, shit. So I got it powder coated black just so it matches the whole engine bay, because I thought it looked pretty weird that they gave you like, you know, a big rubber inlet hose, but this is like silver, but it's black now, so it's a nice touch. Got a little PRL engraving on it. Here's the rest. Titanium inlet pipe. I'm probably not gonna burn this. I'll let it burn on its own over time from soaking in the heat. And they'll give you another inlet hose. This one's slightly bigger because it's a 50% increase in airflow. And then, you know, just some like clamps and whatnot. Cool little trick for all the Type R owners that don't know this, the hood prop rod You would think it goes here, but there's actually a second hole down here, and it opens up the hood 90 degrees so you can get, you know, even more lighting when you're working on your car. So cool little trick if you didn't know that. A big L. My brother spotted a nail in the tire, bro. Damn. Fuck. So I didn't really do a good job showing how to like install this because I thought it was quite straightforward, but you basically just remove these two nuts here. There's this weather seal. You just like pinch the clip, bring it up. I already did this one, but if you struggle, you can take a flathead, put it under and pry it up. They're really sturdy, so they're not gonna break. There's a 14 mil down here. Not 14 mil, sorry. A 10 mil, so you're gonna need an extension, a super long one. There's also another one down here, and you unplug the MAF sensor here, and then these you just remove via these clamps, and then you can just insert into the new inlet hose. Alright, so we get started. Take off these bolts right here. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then this right here. 5. So next you want to remove the wiring harness here, and it's just held in by two 10mm bolts. So there's one right here, and then there's another one literally right under this vacuum line. I can't really get the camera focused, but it's literally right under there. Alright, so here's the inlet pipe right here, and then the 14 mil is literally right behind it, right there. That little guy. And then on the opposite side, I don't know if I can put right there again. You're gonna need a pretty long extension to get in there. Alright, so for this step, you're definitely gonna need a swivel. Our installs always take so long. So here's the inlet hose that they give you for just the high volume intake. And then if you get the titanium inlet combo, then you can tell how much beefier this hose is compared to that one. Right, here's the elbow piece too. I think it looks pretty good in black. My brother likes the silver, but I think it's gonna look nice when it's black, titanium, then back to black, and then black again.
Don't forget the gasket for the inlet.
I don't think the PRL book is updated because I have a 2020, right? In the handbook, it says like you can use this like billet adapter, but they didn't supply us with it. Instead, they just straight up supplied us with a new plastic piece, and it's slightly slimmer. The fins are slimmer than the old one.
So this is what the billet adapter that they're talking about. So
We ain't get that.
you versus the guy she told you not to worry about.
Also, because we're touching with our bare hands right now, make sure you wipe it before.
Otherwise, you're
putting
gonna
it
leave
on.
Fingerprints that will permanently etch into the titanium when it burns.
Like, it's literally my pinky, and it's just like, woo, woo. The weight reduction is not really gonna matter, let's be honest, but it's cool. You can flex that you have titanium, so. Let's see what it sounds like. It looks good, so let's see if it sounds good. So I'm really happy with how it turned out. It sounds really good. I know that I'm not gonna get any faster, but it's all right. I'm not tuning it until the warranty's over. So, you know, the looks and sound is good enough for me. But, well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope the install is helpful. I hope this gave you a little more insight as to, you know, the inlet pipe, how it works and how it sounds. So yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Take care.
Trying to get a feature.
You got a shout out?